florist roses are sold at 4 stocks for $9, which means that 4 stocks of roses for $9, while carnations are sold at 7 stocks for $6. And then Mrs. Ting bought an equal number of stocks and equal number of stocks and roses and carnation. Now, and then she said she spent $117 more on the roses. How many stocks of flowers did she buy altogether? Okay, listen up. This question is not easy. Okay, it's really not easy. Now, they said that the first clue that they gave us, which is the most important, they said that Mrs. Ting bought an equal number of stocks of roses and carnation. And we know that for the roses, they are sold at 4 and carnations are sold at 7 stocks. So, and then if they say that it's equal number of stocks, right, which means that we need to find a common multiple of 4 and common multiple of 7 first. What are common multiples? Okay, let's write down all the multiples of 4. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, blah 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 blah, so on and so forth. Multiples of 7, 7, 14, 21, 28. Okay, do you realize that they are both the same here? If they are both the same here, right? Okay, so what we can do is that we will take for roses, we have to take 28 stocks of roses divided by 4 stocks. 28 divided by 4, okay, and then we multiply by the cost, which is $9. And this will be 7, because 28 divided by 4 is 7 times 9. That will give me $63. Okay, and then for the carnations, right, it's 28. 28 divided by 7 multiply by $6, sorry, $6, okay, per 7. And then this will be 4 multiplied by 6, giving me $24. So this one is one set. So in one set, right, I have the same number of roses, same number of carnations. Okay, that's why I need to find a common multiple. Because it's only when I do this, then I can find a common multiple, which is both 28. If not, it's very hard for you to find a common multiple. Sorry, it's very hard for you to find equal stock of roses and carnations. Okay, and then there's only one set. Because, right, how I know this one set, right, is because they said that she spends $117 more on the roses. So I will find the difference between the roses. For one set of rose, right, the difference, and the one set of carnation, the difference in their cost. So I'll take $63 minus 24, and this will give me 39. Okay, in one set of 28 stocks of roses and 28 stocks of carnations, right, my difference in price is only 39, but I need to reach 117. Okay, so I need to figure out, in one set the difference is $39, but the difference in the question is 117. So I take 117 divided by $39, and this will be 3 sets. So I know in total I got 3 sets of 28 roses and 3 sets of 28 carnations. Okay, so now that I got my 3 sets, right, I can start figuring out how many stocks of flowers did she buy altogether. I'm going to calculate how many stocks of roses first. So if I have 3 sets of 28 roses, right, it's just 3 times 28, and this will give me 84. So in total she bought 84 roses. Since there's an equal number of stocks of roses and carnations, so if roses is 84, carnation also 84, so I just take 84 times 2 to find out total number of stocks. This is 168. So 168 will be your final answer. This is really not easy. You really need to use the common multiple method, okay, to find out in one set for the same number of stocks of roses, same number of stocks of carnations, how much is it, and then find the difference and figure out how many sets you need. So to total 1, 2, 3 sets. Okay, then you can find a number of stocks for roses and then find a number of stocks in total. So this question is really not easy. If you don't understand, don't worry, slow down, just go and watch the video again, and then because every single step I'll start explaining why did I do this, why did I do that. Okay, so listen to the logic. This type of question comes out quite frequently, especially for the 4 or 5 marks question. Alright, done.